Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X5 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find about device. Now let's scroll down again and enter the version, because here we've got the build number, which will allow us to open the mode in which we've got proper options. So all we have to do here is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode, and now we can go back. So let's go back to the general settings and enter system settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and enter developer options, and here all we have to do is to simply scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. As you can see, in my case this option is turned off, so in order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So basically you do not really need to remember about manually updating your device and finding the updates, just remember about restarting it. Of course, you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again. So actually this is it. This is how to enable automatic system updates in your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.